All right, so slogans are defined as a short and striking or memorable phrase used in advertising. So for this morning, the great Empress Camille and I will be attempting to figure out the slogans for some of your favorite brands. Because you know me dead. You come in and look one slogan. Me just so.
You just say brand.
Yeah, so they will put it up on the screen and Empress Camille, she's just going to jump in.
No, I don't. I'm not good at I don't remember people's slogans.
So run a slogan, man.
Really
fun
don't.
stuff.
Fun stuff.
Oh, I said it
TBJ.
already. One love, Abby. I said it already. Condensed milk. Oh,
Good life. Yes, yes.
What is good life?
Good life, good food, good life. I got one. Yes. I said good life, so I get half a point.
No, man,
Thank
you get the point, man. I
get the point. Thank you. Next.
Then
Finger licking good.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. So what do you mean by the slogan? But I don't know. Then there's
What Chris Martin
the tagline is different from a slogan.
Who's talking?
The tagline.
What is KFC?
Finger licking
so
good.
There you go.
That's different.
I said finger licking good.
Yeah.
And then I said so good. So which one is it? What's your slogan?
So it wasn't finger licking good.
Okay,
it
so
was
I
never
got it.
finger licking good.
Okay.
So how if you know them change it?
So because
no, I don't.
It's not about whether you eat the chicken or you eat the KFC. The problem is Neville and I are not focused on the slogan. So marketing managers, we don't work off slogan. We just
you have me
work
tool
off.
up. You have me tool up.
Go. Let's go.
You have me tool up.
Saving lives. Lord, I have such a core. Insurance better. Invest in the future. Wise financial thinking for life. That's what I meant. You know, but this is important. No, Aubrey, listen to me, Aubrey. People, I have Sagicor everything. Lots of Sagicor. Just like I have NCBT.
Yeah, but we're not interested.
But guess what? I don't know the slogans.
One again, no man. Sure, you have me
Okay, let's
go. Me a score now.
Lord of gosh.
Oh, wait there, again. No, but me not go at them.
So,
anyway, let me not say that part.
Lonnie.
Wait, now go and figure out this one. Burger King. The best burger in the world.
No, it is your way, my way. The slogan is have it be your way.
So them change that too.
Well, I'm the worst person to invite to a focus group. I want to say that to every marketing manager. Because me, I have no idea. All right, move on. Any more? Lord, and I love me. Quality since 1922.
No, that's right at the top. Wait. Because you know I can work out these things.
Jamaica's #1 canned foods.
Good food for life.
Oh my God. Mr. Don Webby, bringing good taste to life.
Then me say good and life. So I am supposed to get it.
No, and I want to just say to Mr. Don Webby, who is a great friend of mine.
And mine
and
too.
I buy Grace 24/7.
We're not interested what you do.
I don't know the slogan or the tagline. And I have shares in Lasco and I don't know the Lasco tagline or slogan. Lasco, Sasco Pana Lasco.
Good living, affordable or something. So.
Good living, everyday family values.
Thank you, Richard.
No, everyday family values.
Just
TVJ.
look at us now.
Just look at us now. No.
Of course, just look at
but
us
wait,
now.
listen to us.
That means I must do my work.
But
So that alone me supposed to win.
It.
That alone me supposed to win.
This is a very important point. Never invite Neville Bell or Empress Golding.
Why don't speak for yourself, please?
Because you don't know nothing.
No, I don't know those.
You don't
I know
those.
other
you
things.
just know. Just look at us now. Huh?
Remember, I said it's only 5 things I don't know.
So who's the winner? Is this a score?